spring box, which is a little late because I don't know, we kind of decided to go ahead and subscribe to FabFitFun. I've been thinking about it for a while. It was kind of one of those that I was iffy for, so I would go, you know, almost sign up and then change my mind, and then I just finally went ahead and took the plunge, not realizing that you do get to customize a lot of things, and the earlier you are with doing that, the better choices you have. Like this month, they had an option to get 2 pairs of key sunglasses. You have to choose one out of the 2 along with some other items, but the sunglasses were gone when I subscribed because I was late for the spring box. But I think I'll still get some cool items. I kind of just let them do mystery items for those items, since the items that were still in stock I wasn't really wowed with, so it was kind of like, okay, let's just see what we get. It is more expensive than other boxes. I believe it's $49 for each box, but they come seasonally, so you get one for winter, spring, summer, fall, so you would get 4 a year. This is what the box comes like. It is huge compared to other subscriptions. Let's see what we got in our spring FabFitFun. First thing I see is a $50 gift card to HelloFresh. So you get $25 off your first 2 deliveries plus free shipping. Wow, that's cool. That's another thing I've been thinking about trying and just never have. So now that I have that, I may give that a go as well. And it looks like you get a magazine as well. It has items that you get in there, and it looks like some other articles, just like a regular magazine would have. Crossword puzzle recipes, so that's cool. So the first item that I see is a bottle. It says it's for hot and cold drinks. It's called Sip by Swell. It says insulated to keep your drinks hot and cool. It's a 15-ounce bottle. It says this sip bottle was created so you can quench your thirst from dusk till dawn. Sipping on refreshments has never been easier. With our added technology, your bottle is built to keep your favorite drink at just the right temperature. Wow, that's cool. And in the magazine here, it says that retails for $19.99. It's definitely nice to get things and subscriptions other than just makeup and skincare. Even though I love those, it is a nice change. Next, we have Daily Concepts Daily Detox Massaging Brush. 100% natural bristles for dry brushing. Well, I've saw things about dry brushing before, but I've never given it a try. It's supposed to help, you know, with exfoliation, circulation, help improve cellulite, I believe. Let's see what it says here. We know it goes without saying, but your detox brush will be your new BFF for your daily skincare rituals. Dry or wet, scrub and repeat. Partners well with your favorite scrub or wash, or stands alone for dry brushing. Another cool item I would have never purchased on my own, so it's nice to get here. Is that retails for $18. Next we have a champagne charcoal scrub by Manicadar. It says detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin with this gentle body scrub. Buff away dead skin cells and absorb excess oils to reveal balance and moisturize skin. Pretty big tub. It says it's 18.34 ounces. It says Bubbles Anyone Champagne Charcoal Scrub is a luxe and gentle body scrub formulated with charcoal to remove dirt and buildup, leaving the skin polished, hydrated, and refreshed. I was in the need for another body scrub. I used that to help remove self-tanner and prep the skin before putting on tanner, so it was definitely nice to get. Ooh. I wanted to open it just to give it a smell. Wow, it smells really nice. multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair. And that retails for $26. Then we have by Dr. Brandt, Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Visibly reduces the look of under eye bags and dark circles. Another thing that I will definitely get used out of, your girl does suffer from dark circles. And it says this retails for $42. So we've already almost met the price of the box with just this one item here. And I love Dr. Brandt, but I've never tried their eye cream or depuffing gel as they call it. Then we have by Giatsi, I may not be saying that right, Giatsi measuring spoons. Looks like they're copper measuring spoons. Oh, it says it's Giada. I may not be saying her name right. I'm sorry if I'm not. It's by Giada De Laurentiis. It says she's an Emmy Award-winning chef of everyday Italian. Giada in Italy and 7 other shows. She's also a successful restaurateur and the New York Times bestselling author of 9 cookbooks and a fiction series for young readers. All of those are cute. Something really out of the ordinary to get in a subscription box, but again, it's a nice change. And they feel like good quality. Retail for $15. Then we have by Show Me Your Moo Moo a bathrobe. It's called the Garden of Blooms. Really nice material. Wow, it says this robe retails for $84. So it's a pricey robe. That's almost double the price of the box. It says it comes in one size. Very pretty. Who can't use a robe? And it's a very nice, pretty floral for spring. These are like item we got. Kind of looks like a frisbee case, but that's what we have. Oh, it's like a little picnic set. So you have your silverware here and 2 plates over here. By the brand Sunny Life, it says. That's a cool little traveling case. Take along on a picnic or like a tailgate, or even if you're just doing like a little cooking on the grill or something, it would come in handy. And that retails for $30. Well guys, that was all that I got in my first ever FabFitFun. I hope you enjoyed doing the unboxing with me. If there are any other subscriptions you would like me to try out, I really love subscription boxes and kind of like the mystery that comes along with them and the value that you get for your money with most of them. If there are any others that I haven't already tried here on my channel and you would like to see what comes in one of them, or if you think that it's just something I would enjoy, leave me a comment below and let me know. I will have a link in the description box where you can save some money on your FabFitFun if you want to subscribe as well. As always, thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.